I'm so full today. Hi, it's Christy. Welcome to my channel. I'm a little bit jet lagged. I just got back from Taiwan. I was there for 3 weeks with my parents, and I don't think I cooked a single time during those 3 weeks. And even before I went to Taiwan, I feel like I was traveling a lot, or I had friends visiting, so I was just eating out really often. I'm really excited to cook for myself this week and to eat like more of the things that are just like home cooking, really yummy things. So welcome to this week's What I Cooked in a Week. Tonight we are going to do breakfast for dinner, but like Japanese breakfast for dinner. So I've got some mackerel defrosting. I'm just gonna air fry that. And then rice, natto, some broccoli, and maybe some miso soup. I am not feeling that well. My throat's a bit scratchy. I have a dry cough and my nose, like I sound kind of nasally. And then my roommate also has a sore throat. I think I gave it to him. So this morning I made us some pear soup. It is like a very traditional Chinese medicine remedy to have like pear soup. I also put in some goji berries, some snow fungus, ginger, cinnamon, and honey. That is not enough for breakfast, so I'm also gonna make some toast. side. Hey. Woo! Babe.
Oops. It's like summer.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't know it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like.
We got the carbs, some shirataki, and udon, pork, cabbage, and there's also shimeji, oyster mushrooms, and tofu underneath there.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine, and you have got my head in the clouds. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's the simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face. Oh, I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
So this is a 粽子 that my friend gave me a while back, and it's just been in the freezer. It's like sticky rice with some pork and pork belly, I believe, a piece of shrimp, salted egg yolk. Oh, this one is stuffed. And I think there's also some lechon sausage in here, and peanuts. It's really good. I should probably eat some vegetables, but we did have kimchi earlier, so... Oh, there's also mung beans. Wow, this one's really good.
Feels like they're everywhere.
It's so cold today. So we are gonna make soup. Thank you. It like the Chinese way. Just tastes better this way. I was like, ooh, I feel like I have doenjang and I should use it because it's been in my fridge for a long time. Yeah, it's been in my fridge since 2020. Best by 2021, and usually I ignore this kind of stuff. Like, it's not moldy. I feel like it's okay. It's just hard. No, got it. Oh my god, this is so good.
Never really seen it before. A 5-pounder?
Last two things are the beef, and we're gonna use the same beef that we did yesterday, which is like the shaved beef. And I'm gonna fry potatoes on top.